Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to fat loss chest step by step. Start by tracking calories and setting a clear daily deficit, then schedule 3 to 5 weekly workouts. Focus on compound movements, add targeted chest exercises, and progressively increase load or reps. Combine resistance training with 20 to 40 minutes of cardio and prioritize sleep and protein intake for recovery and fat loss. In this video, I will show how to fat loss chest step by step. Begin each session with a compound lift like bench press or incline press to recruit many muscles. Follow with isolation moves such as chest flies and cable crossovers to refine the area. Alternate heavy and moderate sessions, and include drop sets or tempo changes to boost intensity while preserving form and reducing injury risk. In this video, I will show how to fat loss chest step by step. Quick recommendation: if you want a durable, leak-proof bottle for sweaty gym sessions, the Oala water bottle is easy to carry and keeps you sipping between sets. It fits cup holders and looks good on the bench, which makes staying hydrated simpler and more fun. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fat loss chest step by step. Track macros and keep protein consistent to protect muscle while losing fat, and include healthy fats and vegetables. Time meals to support training and hydrate throughout the day to aid performance. Rest and mobility work are key, so schedule recovery days and monitor stress to maintain progress without burning out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.